Hey guys! So, I haven't been here, sitting here and talking with you for a really long time, and this is because you can see it, I have braces and I was so freaking insecure with them. I can't even tell you. I didn't want to film videos so the people can see that I have braces, but now when I'm basically in the end of my journey, I actually started loving them and liking them, so I don't have a problem with them, but today we're going to take them off. And I thought that it would be really fun for you to come with me to show you and to share with you my experience. I'm kind of in a hurry right now because this is kind of like my 5 last minutes before I have my appointment. So I just wanted to quickly say hello, and everything that you need to know will be basically in the end of the video. I will tell you everything, how it went, do I like them, and everything that you want to know. I wear my braces for about 8 months. Maybe, but that is because I really didn't have like much of a problem. You can see in my previous videos where you actually can see my mouth that I have had one tooth that I didn't like, and somehow I decided to get braces, and yeah, right now as you can see I have this thing on because it helps me do something. Anyways, I can't concentrate because I have to go, but I quickly wanted to tell you that it would mean a world to me if you subscribe to my channel, if you like this video, and if you can comment something in the comment section down below, and it would mean a world to me if you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is as usual here and down in the description box. So yeah guys, I missed you so much, wanted to talk with you for a really long time. So now I'm back. Come with me. I think I'm so much cooler with this. Amazing. I'm just kidding. I'm so happy. First of all, I'm so happy. I don't want to show you my smile. Yeah. So, here it is. So perfect. I love it. I love it. I haven't seen my teeth for 8 months, and now when I see them, I love them. They're so cute and pretty. Look at this. And guys, okay, now let's start talking a little bit about whole process, because first of all, I didn't film everything because my hand, because I filmed by myself, my hands started getting really tired, so I was like, oh hell no. I can't film everything because I was there for maybe like 2 hours, I don't know, but that's how I felt. So first of all, did it hurt? No, I didn't feel anything. Like, it was really easy to do it. It's not like I felt anything. I felt a little something, but it doesn't hurt, you know? It's not something that hurts. So I think everyone thinks, oh, that will gonna hurt, it's going to be really bad, and no, it's not. So what we ended up doing was, first of all, he took my braces, and when I saw it, I wasn't like really sure about this one too, this one, but I don't know, I kinda, when I look at it, I kinda see it only when I get really close, and only when I'm like obsessing over my teeth. I forgot to speak English in 8 months. I don't know what happened. And second of all, I wasn't satisfied with my gums. So maybe, if you can see, I have this here right now, but that is just some, I think, painkiller. I'm not really sure what it is, but I think it's some sort of a painkiller, because we had to cut my gums down here. I couldn't film it because, as I said, my hands started getting really tired, and second of all, I was like, can't like film that because I don't want to look at that, because let me tell you, there was a blood, because my gums here with braces, they kinda started like getting really red and ugly, and I didn't like that, and they started covering my teeth. So I was like, let's cut them, and maybe I'm thinking, but not now, I'm thinking maybe I should cut these gums here, because I feel like these teeth are bigger than this. So maybe I'm going to do it, but I didn't want to do it right now because that part with cutting gums didn't hurt at all. Let me just be, because he put anesthesia on my gums, I think, and my whole lower lip like got numb. I didn't felt anything for 2 hours. It was really funny and crazy. I couldn't talk. It was like really funny, but this here, I think it's not really noticeable. This was like more for a medical reason, because they were like really scary when I look at them, and actually I think that you can see in the video that when he took off my lower braces, my gums started bleeding so much, and also when he cut them there was a blood, so that's why I didn't want to film that, because I didn't want to stress you out. But I saw them, and my lower teeth are also perfect. I also love them. And for retainer, I forgot to say that for retainer I got that retainer that is like a wire that he puts not in front, what's the word in front, behind, yeah, yes. I definitely forgot to speak English. I'm so sorry. I'm going to learn it as fast as I can. He put my brace retainers behind my teeth, so upper and lower I have wires there, so I think it's going to make them stay like that. They're not going to move. I really hope so. I'm going to actually keep track of it, and I can do an updated video for when I cut my gums here. If you want it, I can film it for you, but you'll have to thumbs up this video. 300 thumbs up, I think that's okay, and I'm going to film my experience, and I'm going to film a follow-up video. What happened with my teeth? Did they start getting, like, you know, the thing they like come back? I'm so annoyed with my English. Never mind. And if you want, I can do a follow-up video and I can take you with me to show you how it looks when they cut your gums. And actually 300 likes for this video, and I'm going to do that. Yeah, 300 likes, and I'm going to do that because I'm planning on cutting my upper gums in like maybe a month. I just want this to go away, and for this I forgot to tell you, or I did tell you, I don't know, but this is one it's really hard. I don't know what is it, and the doctor told me that it will come off alone. I don't have to do it or anything like that, but that is just some painkiller, I think, some medicine that is going to help my gums, something like that. I know it looks kind of gross, and it kind of hurts me here. I don't know, does this mold hurt me, or it hurts like my skin? I don't know, something here hurts me, but a really small amount, not anything too much. It's not a problem, but I think like, and I can't wait for this to fall off. My doctor actually said that it maybe fall off for one day. We're going to see. I can't wait because I want to see how my gums look, because I saw them and let me tell you, not pretty. That wasn't pretty at all. So yeah. Let me just check, did I tell you everything? So, retainers, I told you it didn't hurt. I told you it was like 2-hour thing, so I told you that I cut my gums and that I need to cut here. But everything, I'm really happy. And for a short time, because I didn't have much of a problem with my teeth. My teeth, as you can see in some of my previous videos, my teeth were really like, they were okay, they were not bad, but this one tooth, like I just couldn't look at it because it was a little bit pushed on the inside of my mouth, and I was like, oh no, I don't like that. Never, like, that is not going to happen with my face and with my mouth. I have to fix that, and I thought about getting Invisalign, but I heard some negative reviews for that, and I was like, okay, no. And when I got to my dentist, he said that I had like overbite, something like that, and that I need like braces, so everything is going to like be in a place. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you next time in my next video, because I think that my next video is going to be New Year's makeup. Yeah, New Year's is coming. I have perfect smile now. I wanna film videos for you. So yeah guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!